Very good morning to all once again. Standard 12 Commerce, subject OCM, chapter number 10, that is marketing management. In our last particular video and lecture that we learn about the difference between marketing and selling. Okay, I think 7 points are there that we discuss. Marketing is a wide scope which includes many things from marketing research to after sales services. And in selling, just only we have to transfer the ownership from one person to another person, and just we have to take the money and earn profit. That is called selling. So now that we have to discuss the various ideology, then concept and views of marketing management. How many types of views? Okay, so here that they are included 5 views of marketing management. And then here we have to discuss. Okay, so let us discuss first of all introduction part and what are the 5 views related to marketing management that we have to discuss over here. These 5 already that we learned many times, so it is not a hard job or it is not a difficult topic for us. Okay, let's see. Present marketing is not accidental. It is developed over the period of time. Marketing is an intense activity of fulfilling the desire and wants of the consumer. Simple. What do you mean by marketing? To satisfy the desire of consumer, wants, need of consumer. That is called marketing. Okay. Next one. Business firm keep in mind various philosophies or concepts and development marketing programs for marketing. There are 5 main concepts. So here 5 concepts are there that are included in our marketing process. Okay, so which 5 concepts are there? Then we have to discuss one by one all. Number 1, that is production concept. Okay, so here that is production concept. So definitely in this concept that they are discussed all the theories related to production. Okay, let's see. In this concept, emphasis is placed on product availability and price. Consumer prefers a cheap product. This concept is known as production-oriented concept. And that we know, whenever we go in the market as a consumer, what we have to find? Good quality with low price. I don't know how it is possible. If you want good quality, how it is possible to get that particular product in low price? It is not possible. If you want to high quality, you have to pay for it. Okay. And if you are ready to buy a low price product, definitely there will be change in quality. Okay. But it's a consumer mentality. It's a consumer mentality that high price with high quality with low price. Actually, in the market it is not possible in many times. So next, wherever quality is not given importance but availability and low price is preferred, then it is said that production concept is follows. Many times what happened? In a country like India, that people are there nowadays, that people are intelligent to understand the importance of quality. But before few years, what happened? Doesn't matter what quality is there, price is matter. That's it. Because whenever we go in the market, just we have to take a product. Only we have to see only one thing, MRP. That doesn't matter what is the quality, what is the ingredients, what is the uses. Doesn't matter, only price. Oh. See. So this is the most important thing, that is production concept. If they are applying a cheap quality, definitely you get in low price because quality matters. Okay. Next one. According to this concept, the producer does not believe in giving an extra facility or a feature of product. In underdeveloped countries, this concept is widely seen. Underdeveloped countries, Nepal, Okay, Bangladesh, that are under country, that financial condition is very low. And in this particular things, production concept is there because they are giving importance to price, not quality. So this is the first concept. Next, number 2, product concept. So number 2, that is product concept. So second one, that is product concept. Okay, let's see. This concept emphasizes on the quality of the product. So definitely they are giving importance to quality, and here they are giving importance to price. Okay, so this is two different concepts. Number one, that is production concept. Second one, that is product concept. Okay. Here it is believed that consumer insists on the quality. Hence, many of business units have seen to the continuously improving the quality. Good quality products are available at a relatively higher price. Good quality, higher price. Let's see the example. Many examples that we have taken. Okay, many examples. Lots of shoes, normal shoes that you can get 300, 400, 500. But if you want Woodland, if you want Bata, if you want Puma, then definitely you have to pay mostly in 4 figure, about 1,000. Okay, same way. Okay, laptop, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, you get average laptop. But if you want a laptop of Apple company, then lakhs of rupees or thousands of rupees that you have to pay. Each and everywhere, whether you have clothes, goggles, anyway, if you want the quality products, definitely you have to pay a higher price. Okay, let's see. Those who follows the concept continuously concentrate on the research and development because they know, because we that the people are not, the businessmen are not, that we have to pay and we have to give a high quality assurance. So for the better quality, continuously they have to do research in the market. What is going on? What is the new things? So according to that new things, that they are doing market research, and according to market research, survey or market research, they are paying that particular that we can say that product. They are surveying the products to the consumer according to their needs. So this is number 2. Next, number 3, selling concept. Okay, so here third one, that is selling concept. Okay, let's see. This concept is also known as sales based concept, which emphasizes on selling process. It appears and attract the consumer by buying the products directly or indirectly. Aggressive marketing methods are adopted. Various methods of sales promotion are adopted, like advertising, companion, direct selling, etc. So many methods are there. The people, sellers are there, those who are selling their goods. Okay, direct, indirect, many methods nowadays. Mall system, online system. Okay, Flipkart, Amazon. This is one type of franchise that they are selling the products. So third one, that is selling the products. How you can sell the products? Okay, some companies are there, those who are hold the right to sell that particular products. Only their store you can get that particular products. And some companies are there, those who are giving the selling rights to other people, and that is called franchise. Okay, that is called franchise. So it is depend on the policy of the owners, that how they are selling the products in the market. Okay, as I know that some people are there, those who are selling products, only one franchise or only one branch is there. There is no other branch. And some businesses are there, those who are open their numbers of branch in the market. So it is called selling concept. How you can sell your product in a market. Okay. Next, here efforts are made to create demand. Without sales promotion efforts, complete reaction from the consumer cannot be received. So what they are doing? They are doing efforts for selling the products, giving advertisement and doing activity related to sales, discounts and promotions, hoardings, advertisement, many things. It's a wide concept. Again, it's a marketing. So wide concept is there. Okay. Next, the complete emphasis is not given on the need of consumer, but all the efforts made in converting goods in a cash. This concept ignores consumer dissatisfaction. Only sell the products. That's it. Convert product into cash. Only we have to sell the products. Doesn't matter the consumer are satisfied or not. Okay, just they are doing their work. Two types of people are there. Number one, those who are doing work with customer satisfaction. Second one, just they are doing that work. That's it. Either any person understand or not, they are satisfied or not, doesn't matter. Each and everywhere, not only business, in communication also, in teaching line also. Okay, so it's a different things and how to deliver your services, how to deliver your products. So this is the most important thing, that is selling concept. They are not taking the matters of consumer satisfaction, which is most important in a market. Because when you do the businesses, when customer is there, how can create the customer? With the customer satisfaction. If you are not providing good quality or good services to the customer, how you can create your business? So it is not possible. Okay. Next, that is marketing concept. Fourth, marketing concept. And fifth one, that is social concept. Okay. So that we discuss. First we discuss selling. Now we will discuss marketing. Okay. Let's see. This concept can be called as per user-based concept. As we know, in selling just we have to sell the products, but in marketing we have to satisfy the customer. So it is totally based on users. Users, that means consumers, those who are consume the products, those who are use the products. Okay. Next, production is undertaken by taking up research on preferences, habits and desire, etc. of the consumers. All marketing policies are formulated by keeping consumer in the center. Who is the center? Consumer. Because we have to complete the need of consumer. Okay. So in simple, that in last time that we discussed, selling concept it is, and marketing concept that we have over here. That we learn the difference between selling and marketing. So all the points related to selling are included here, and all the points of marketing is included over here. That we learn at the time of difference. That in selling, just profit is main goal. Customer satisfaction is not a main goal. But in marketing, what is the main goal? Customer satisfaction. Then profit. Profit is there, because without profit you cannot do business. Profit is there, but what is the first priority? Consumers or customers satisfaction. Okay. So customer is the main center to do the business. Okay, to do the marketing. Yes. Next one. Yes. All the marketing policies are formulated by keeping consumer in the center. Consumer is the king of the market. Such philosophy will be reflected in the marketing activity. Because in marketing activity, just we have to satisfy the customers. And this is the right. That customer is the king of market. Because they have own right from where they have to purchase the product. Okay. Next one. The aim of this concept is to provide effective and efficient product to the competitors. Consumer satisfaction is the objective of this concept. Marketing concept is most modern of all the above concepts, which benefit numbers of firms, consumers and society. Nowadays that you can see, customer is most important. And that's why they are giving more important to customer rather than product, because they know if we are giving importance of products, if consumer is not there, what we can do with product. But if consumers are satisfied, they are doing repeated orders, so definitely we can move the products in a better way, and that's why they are giving discounts, offers. Now you can see, okay, in Big Bazaar 23 to 27, it's a Republic Day offer. You can take the benefit of it. And just in early morning, I saw in my WhatsApp, okay, that in Sanket Sales India also 2 days offers is there, today and tomorrow. Many offers because of consumer satisfaction. After sales services, demonstration, free products, many more things that they are doing. Okay, it's a wide concept. Marketing is a wide concept. Okay, let's see. Marketing concept is most modern of all the above concepts, which benefit number of firms, consumer and society. In present time in India, business field, huge industrial unit have adopted marketing concept. Most of the people that they are adopting marketing concept. Once you go in high showroom, hi-fi showroom, you can treat like a king. Please welcome, sit over here. Then what do you want to take? Forget about products. Tea or coffee or cold drink. Wow. Because consumer is a king of market. Marketing approach is there. Okay. Once you take the tea or coffee, what we thought? We are taking tea or coffee, so something that we have to buy from this seller. So this is the strategy, boss. Okay. Only 10 rupees cup of tea, that they are making 100 or thousands rupees of business from you. Simple. Okay. So this is the marketing concept. Last one, social concept. It is also known as social oriented concept. Marketing concept has been criticized as it is priority only the consumer preference. The marketing concept efforts are made to know the wants of the consumer and satisfy them, but due to that, the long run interests of the consumer, society and country were at risk. Along with that, there is a wastage of resources also. According to this concept, marketing management should be done in such a way consumer wants are fulfilled, at the same time it's create least harmful to environment. It means that according to social concept, we have to satisfy the consumer's need, but we have to save environment also. And that's why you can see in modern market, now people are there, those who are using eco-friendly products. Which type of products? Eco-friendly. You can see the list in Google. Okay, like many companies are there, those who are those who are being the awards as a eco-friendly products. They are making eco-friendly products, environment-friendly products. Tesla. Yes, many companies are there. In India level, in Asia level, in the world level. Okay, because their main goal is to satisfy the consumer need, but with do not spoil the nature. Okay, so this is a social concept. Next one. That is the reason why the number of firms have reduced the use of plastic and packaging and reduced air pollution through control of emissions from industrial unit. There is a spread of an ideology where ready to eat food is available, but at the same time it should not be harmful to health, and it should be pure and healthy. And that's why FSSAI is came by the Indian government. If you are related to business, if you are business related to health and supplement, definitely you have to take the permission. You have a license of FSSAI. If an FSSAI is one type of site, generally you can see that particular thing on a food item. Okay, whatever that you eat, but actually whenever you purchase any packets, of food, just we have to only one thing, open that map, finish. You have to see on back of that particular packet that what are the ingredients, what are the benefits. It is useful. Okay. Next one. To control the consumption of junk food, some states have imposed fat tax too. In the same way, controlling to air and noise pollution have been encouraged. So definitely many countries are there. Those who are to control the that we can see that to control the food, junk food, that they are imposed fat tax. Higher the fatty products, you have to pay higher tax. Okay. It is ultimately benefited to society. Okay. Because if you are taking high junk food, definitely you have to spend at least 1 week in a hospital. Okay. So this is 5 concept is there: production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and social concept. Okay. Thank you.